Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we have a real treat for you. We're going to dive into the world of vanilla strawberry hydrangea plants. These stunning beauties are a favorite among many gardeners, and for good reason. I'm going to share some valuable care tips to help you grow and maintain these plants successfully. Just look at these gorgeous vanilla strawberry hydrangeas in full bloom. The stunning combination of white, pink, and red hues is a sight to behold. Before we get into the care tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our helpful gardening content. Let's jump right in with our care tips for vanilla strawberry hydrangea plants. Tip 1. The ideal location. Vanilla strawberry hydrangeas prefer a spot with partial sun to partial shade. Morning sun and afternoon shade work wonderfully. Avoid planting them in full, scorching sun, as they can wilt in intense heat. Tip 2. The ideal soil. These hydrangeas thrive in well-draining, slightly acidic soil. You can amend your garden soil with organic matter, like compost, to improve the drainage and acidity. This will create the ideal environment for your vanilla strawberries to flourish. Tip 3. Watering. Now, let's talk about watering. Vanilla strawberry hydrangeas need regular, consistent moisture. Make sure to keep the soil evenly moist, especially during dry spells. But be cautious not to overwater, as they don't like to sit in waterlogged soil. Tip 4. Pruning. Pruning is crucial for maintaining the shape and size of your hydrangeas. You can prune them in late winter or early spring, removing dead or weak stems. If you want to encourage more vigorous flowering, consider cutting back some of the old wood. This will stimulate new growth and more blossoms. Tip 5. Fertilizing. Fertilizing your vanilla strawberry hydrangeas is essential for those big, beautiful blooms. Use a slow-release, balanced fertilizer in early spring and then again in late spring or early summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Tip 6. Winter protection. During harsh winters, these hydrangeas can benefit from a bit of protection. Mulch around the base and consider covering the plant with burlap or a plant cover to shield it from frost. This will help ensure the plant's health and flowering in the following spring. And there you have it, our essential care tips for vanilla strawberry hydrangea plants. With the right location, soil, and a little TLC, you can enjoy these stunning blooms year after year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts.